Hi everyone, I'm Madam Pamita and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this episode, we're going to be looking at the correspondence of the major arcana in the Tarot and the signs of the zodiac. And we're going to start with the very first sign of the zodiac, which is the sign Aries. And the corresponding major arcana card in the Tarot is the Emperor card. Well, let's talk a little bit about the Emperor card and how it corresponds to the sign of Aries. Well, the Emperor is someone who is strong, confident, believes in himself, knows that he's right, might tend to be a little bit on the stubborn side, certainly not afraid of anything. He didn't get to be the emperor just by being a wallflower or standing back. He was the one that was there first, who conquered first, who forced his opinion, forced his energy and will, and got to be the emperor that way. As a result, we have somebody who is strong, confident, long-lasting in terms of loyalty, somebody who is wise, somebody who has experience. So this corresponds to the beautiful characteristics of the sign Aries. Aries are the babies of the zodiac. If we think of a beautiful little baby, babies have a lot of time no fear about doing things. They'll run up to a hot stove and test it out to see if it's hot. And that's why we always have to be watching babies when we're babysitting, because they can get into anything without fear, without any hesitation. They want to explore the world. They want to be the first ones there. They're full of exuberance, full of life, resilient and wonderful. And that's the characteristics that we see with the sign Aries. They're a lot of fun. They're the youngest of the zodiac signs, so they have a lot of youthful energy, but they also have a lot of wisdom as well. And this wisdom that comes with youth. You know, we think of little babies as being very wise themselves. So we see these characteristics in our card, the Emperor. The Emperor definitely was the first one to get someplace, and Aries, like that, wants to be the very first one to get to conquer the obstacles that are in his or her way. Aries also wants to be in charge, and may even have a fiery, passionate will to be the one that is right in an argument, for example. We also see a great resiliency. You know, you don't get to be an emperor, for example, like our emperor in the Emperor card with his long white beard. You don't get to be that emperor like that by being somebody who is not resilient. And we definitely see this resiliency in Aries. They bounce back, they meet a hardship, they come across something, they have a time of bad luck or some obstacle that they face or even some failure, but they pick themselves up, they dust themselves off, and they continue marching forward. These are the characteristics that we see in the Emperor card. These are the characteristics that we see in our wonderful Aries friends, family, and in ourselves if we are an Aries ourselves. So when you see the Emperor card show up in a reading, think about the quality of Aries. Or if you are an Aries and you want to evoke some of that energy in yourself, you have a special ally in that card, the Emperor card. Or if you're another sign and you want to bring in more passion, more fearlessness, more willingness to take a risk, then channel some of that Emperor energy, channel some of that Aries energy into your life. And that's it for this episode. I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Go to parlorofwonders.com and you'll find tons of information, including readings, tarot and otherwise, by me. You'll also find information about how to do readings for yourself, information about magic. You'll find all kinds of guides and videos and so forth. And don't forget to subscribe by pushing that subscribe button down below, and then you'll get all the videos as they come hot off the grill, newly made, all the fresh video content coming right to your inbox. Thank you so much for joining me. Come see me at parlorofwonders.com, and I'll see you in another episode. Bye-bye.